everyone. Welcome to Technology Consumer Channel. Today, we're diving into 3 amazing washing machines that will seriously level up your laundry game. If you're looking to make laundry faster, smarter, and easier, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's jump right into it. LG WM4000H. First up, let's talk about the LG WM4000H. This washer has it all: stylish design and serious cleaning power. The TurboWash trademark 360-degree feature tackles large loads in under 30 minutes, so you can get more done in less time without sacrificing cleaning performance. But the real magic is in its AI technology. Built-in sensors detect the fabric type and load size, and then automatically choose the best settings for optimal care. That means your clothes get washed the right way, every time, with no guesswork on your part. And get this, with the LG ThinQ app, you can control your washer remotely and even get maintenance tips. Plus, the smart pairing feature syncs with your dryer, suggesting the perfect drying cycle for whatever you're washing. It's the ultimate laundry hack. On top of all that, the tempered glass door with rose gold accents looks super sleek while resisting scratches and shocks. And you've got peace of mind with LG's 10-year warranty on the motor. Pretty impressive, right? LG DLX 4000. Next, let's check out the LG DLX 4000 dryer. This machine is all about saving time while keeping your clothes looking their best. With TurboSteam, you can refresh up to 5 garments at a time, getting rid of wrinkles and odors fast. Perfect for when you need something ready to wear in a pinch. And like the washer, this dryer is equipped with AI that communicates with your washer to automatically choose the right drying settings. Plus, with the FlowSense duct clogging and clean filter indicators, you'll know exactly when to clean out the ducts and lint filter, helping you save on energy bills and avoid unnecessary service calls. It's also got that stylish tempered glass door and rose gold touches, just like the LG washer. And of course, you can control everything remotely with the ThinQ app. Electrolux ELFW7637A. Finally, let's talk about the Electrolux ELFW7637A. This washer is a stain-fighting powerhouse thanks to SmartBoost technology. It pre-mixes water and detergent before the cycle even starts, giving your detergent maximum cleaning power and extending the life of your clothes. The Optic white cycle keeps your whites brighter for longer, and the pure rinse option removes detergent residues and fragrances, perfect for those with sensitive skin. Need something cleaned fast? The 15-minute quick wash has you covered for those last-minute emergencies. And with the sanitize setting, you can remove up to 99% of bacteria, making it a great option for bedding and towels. Plus, this machine has a reversible door, so you can install it to open whichever way works best for your laundry setup. Super convenient. So there you have it. 3 amazing washing machines that will make laundry day a whole lot easier. Whether you're into LG's smart features or Electrolux's stain-fighting power, each of these models has something special to offer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.